Good morning, everyone. This is Veena K, the production manager of the Rhyme Impersonator Show, live at Times Square. The time right now is 4:49 a.m. I'm up so early because I have some good news to report. Drum roll, please. I'm very happy and proud to announce that Teja Kundapalli, my cousin, who was a former backer, has become the second-time backer for the Rhyme Impersonator Show. Thank you very much, Teja. I really appreciate it. Thank you for backing me up again. And this actually helps me and motivates me to move forward with this particular project. For any project or for any person to succeed, that particular person needs a lot of support. Let it be from his or her family, friends, network, connections, as well as the extended family. Being Kundapalli, I've always been with my extended family. So I would really love to have each and every Kundapalli to come on board to step up and support the Rhyme Impersonator Show. For this particular comedy pilot, it's just not 3 sketches or 4 comedy sketches and it's being done. It is evolving every day. And it's not only changing lives, motivating and inspiring people, but also making them to come out of their comfort zone and actually know what their true passion is. I guess I'm one of the examples as well, I have to say. It also gives job opportunities to talented cast and crew who are living in New York City, and we are bringing the best talent that is in New York City. The cast and crew of the Rhyme Impersonator Show is very diverse. We have Asians, we have Russians, we have Caucasians, we have African American, and of course Indians. And it's really nice to work with a very diverse population, for you get to know different perspectives, different ideas, and again, you also understand how we all look so different, but we still are the same when it comes to values and principles and teamwork. As we all know, most of us are into engineering, medicine, IT profession, business. This is the platform. If you're an artist who is Daisy and who really wants to come out of your comfort zone, do something really great, audition with us and you actually get a role in the Rhyme Impersonator Show. So it's a fusion. Hey, that's what Rhyme Impersonator Show is all about. We really want to complete this. We all have that enthusiasm. We really want to get to that set and finish it and bring you the best comedy pilot ever that you have seen. It's not just the cast, but it's also the crew. Let it be the DP, the sound, the gaffer, the grip. And it's amazing. Actually, it's kind of like engineering 101 when it comes to set designing, when it comes to the whole set and planning. It just feels like a project management. So it's a lot that you can compare between engineering and what goes on a set design or in a film set. This is the best opportunity that you can get, and you as backers are actually providing that opportunity. That's the matter. I really want all the Kundapalli families living here in US as well as in India, if you have any credit card, let it be Visa, American Express or MasterCard, pledge. Hey, even $10 goes a long way. So please become a backers of the Rhyme Impersonator Show. It's not just fulfilling my dream, it's fulfilling the dream of the whole entire cast and crew of the Rhyme Impersonator Show, as well as the former backers who have been waiting along with us, who have been riding this up and down adventurous journey with us. We want to really complete it and show that this is gonna be fun. That's what Rhyme Impersonator Show is all about. So please help us. Please help us make the second campaign successful. And I assure you that if you actually plus $250 and become a co-producer, you will sit next to a celebrity comedian. Currently, we are at $2,975. We need $6,325 in 11 days. So I would really urge my family and extended family to support us. If you have a credit card, MasterCard or Visa, and if you're in India, you can still go to www.kickstarter.com/profile/Rhyme Impersonator and just pledge. Click on back this project and just become a backer. Again, I repeat the website. It's www.kickstarter.com/profile/rhyme-impersonator. Hey, all the cousins of mine who are here in US, I would really love you to step up to $250 just because you can actually sit next to Dan Nanian, the celebrity comedian who has become a personal friend of mine, as well as has become the co-producer of the Rhyme Impersonator Show. If you help me out this time by coming through, you're not only going to meet the celebrity comedian Dan Nanian and dine with him, but you'll also party with him, myself, and the entire cast and crew of the Rhyme Impersonator Show, who are all funny, I have to say that, and you will have an amazing time. Please do become the second time backers. If you feel $250 is way too high, please pledge to $50. For $50, you will get a free t-shirt of the Rhyme Impersonator Show and a script of one of our comedy sketches, as well as a postcard signed and autographed by entire cast and crew. For any Kundapalis who are in US, and if you have a business, hey, we are very good at doing commercial jingles. And only for $1,000, we not only give you an exciting and impressive commercial jingle, but also help you to promote it in all the social media. For all the Kundapalis in India, I know that the dollar to rupee currency is really high nowadays. Even if you can pledge for $10, I'll be really happy. And of course, when I come down to India, we all will party together. And if you have that extra promotion coming up or extra bonus, if you don't mind, just put in $25 and it'll be worth it. We are coming closer. It's only 11 days more to achieve our goal of $6,325. So I would really urge each and every Kundapali who is here in US to step up and pledge high. Hey, with $250, you're not only going to see me, but you're also going to wine and dine with the celebrity comedian Dan Nanian. And trust me, there will be more celebrities who are going to come. I would like each and every family member of the Kundapali to be on the screen credits, for we know how we as Kundapalis appreciate the arts. Thank you very much, Teja, for supporting us again and for becoming the second backer. And for all the other Kundapalis, please step up and please pledge big, for I really want to complete it within this coming week so that I can sleep. I've not been sleeping for a pretty long time. I don't even remember the days. Again, this is Veena K, the production manager of the Rhyme Impersonator Show. Right now, the time is 5:15 a.m. I need to get a little bit of sleep before I get back to work. America, it's 5:17 a.m. in the morning. Get ready to laugh because here comes the Rhyme Impersonator Show.
Ain't no stopping us now. We need to know. Joe De Niro, Benjamin, some call it paper. Ain't no stopping us now. We're more scared to go. Finish our pilot, we can't do it without you. 8,500 is our new funding goal. And we've got some great rewards that will enrich your soul. In this economy, there's nowhere else to go. I thank God for Kickstarter. Me too, bro. Our cast and crew, we plan to stay on track. July 27, we hope you have our back, yeah. It's all or nothing, that's the policy. And we only got just 1 month, and that's why we're making this plea, yeah. We won't let nothing stand in our way, yeah. I want you to listen. And make a pledge today, oh. Ain't no stopping us now. We need to know. Joe De Niro, Benjamin, some call it paper. Ain't no stopping us now. We're more scared to go. Finish our pilot, we can't do it without you. Ain't no stopping us now. We need to know. Joe De Niro, Benjamin, some call it paper. Ain't no stopping us now. We're more scared to go. Finish our pilot, we can't do it without you. Ain't no stopping us now. We need to know. Ain't no stopping us now. We're more scared to go. Ain't no stopping us now. We need to stopping us now. One more skip to go. Ain't no stopping us now. We need to know. Ain't no stopping us now.